everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through a simple and a quick step on how to clear cache in Bifrost Wallet. If you want to clear cache on your Bifrost Wallet, then the process is quite simple. So let's get started. Launch Open Bifrost Wallet and then enter your PIN code to log in and access your wallet. Now from the main homepage, tap the gear button located at the bottom right hand corner. Scroll down and tap on Advanced. You'll be able to see the Clear Cache button in the middle. Tap on it and then in the pop-up tap Proceed. Doing so will clear out all of the cache data accumulated on your Bifrost application. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.